Welcome back to the Closet Modern Living. Today we're going to be installing a Sonance ceiling speakers in the garage. We're going to go through the process of going above the garage to a bonus room, running some wires through the frame, out to a hole that I'm going to drill through here, down the other side of the garage, and let's see what happens. All right, guys, we're up here in the bonus room, which is above the garage. We're going to run some wires, make some holes with a drill. I got a big drill bit, one of those long extended ones. Gonna see if I run it halfway from up here and go downstairs from the garage and run it the other way. Run the speaker wire down and see if we are able to reach it out. Started making the hole with the drill bit. Got the speaker wire right here. Okay, guys, just finished up drilling the holes with the extender drill bit. Ran the electrical fish wire up here. Was able to get it up here, which took me about a good hour and a half to fish it through the holes to get into the attic above the garage in the bonus room. You can see that I ran the wire through there, made a big mess. I gotta clean it up. Stapled the speaker's wire right there. Was able to make a hole right there to go through the beams. And I will catch it up downstairs. So I was able to make the hole up in the ceiling for the speaker, ran the speaker wires through the ceiling, through the bonus room, down to the Sonos amp that we have in the living room, so we could run these speakers in my garage. These are very well built ceiling speakers from Sonance. These are the 6.5 Sonance ceiling speakers, which I'm very impressed with. I'm going to show you a closer look. Very heavy, well-made speaker. You got the push-in terminals right here. You push down, and then the wire snaps in there for security when you're putting them up in the ceiling. These tabs lock in into the drywall. Very well made. I'm very happy with this speaker so far on their appearance wise. Sound wise in the house, they sound great. Here's a closer look for the speakers. You're able to move the tweeter around, which, I'm very impressed in how heavy it is. This is a very heavy speaker. For a ceiling speaker, I'm very impressed. Now let's go ahead, hook it up to the speaker wire, install it into the ceiling, and I show you the process of how these tabs pop out. Which any other speaker, you would have to put another item up there to hold it up. But these tabs tap out, they hold on to the drywall. I got these speakers on sale at Best Buy. They said they were like $6.99. I think I got them for $129 plus tax. I wasn't expecting much. I got them for my living room. Impressed beyond what I thought they were going to do. So I got them for the garage, since I'm out here 85% of the time when I get home, working on projects and other things. So I just finished making the hole in the ceiling, fished the wires through. I was able to fish another one that way, going for the other side for the other speaker. It was pretty bad to get the drill bit here flexible, even if it flexed. Was able to fish it through. Now I'm about to put the speaker up, see how it fits. Here I go with the speaker wire. They pop out. You push down the speaker terminals, and the speaker wires go in. I'm very, very impressed with these speakers. One more. Let's see. One there. Here goes the negative. Sharpie. Let's see. Pushing the tabs. You know, pushing the wire in there a little bit. Oh, very, very, very snug fit. Grab the drill. Make sure it's on forward. Let's go very gently. Very, very gently. That one grabbed on. That one grabbed on too. But let's double check because it's coming out. Just grab it right here. And there it goes. And it's going into the ceiling because that's how you know. Don't have to give too much force. You know, I don't even have to put that much power into the drill. That one's locked in. That one's locked in, nice and flush. Little gap right here. Let me tighten it up a little bit more. And that gap closes. And this is another good thing about these speakers. They came with these white paintable grills that, you know, I remember back in the day, you had to snap on the grills for your car speakers. But these just magnetic and boom, that's it. And the sound quality, like I said, more impressive than you would think those top dollar ones. For $129, you can't beat it. And once again, there goes the finished product. You can see closer, paintable, flush mount to the ceiling without a doubt. The speaker install took me less than 3 hours to do. Took me time to make the holes through the beams on top of the ceiling and find the space, you know, that's what took me time. And running the wires above the garage ceiling that's drywalled and going into the bonus room and drilling that's, you know, has plywood on the floor. But not bad project. Due to any copyrights, I didn't want to record the sound of it, but they do sound amazing in the garage. And now I'll probably be out here more than 85% of the time, fixing whatever I can now. I got music, probably add a TV here pretty soon. And of course, here's a shot of the other speaker that I just did in the second bay of the garage. Here goes the first one. Here was the first speaker. See, it's flush. Come over to the third bay. And there goes the second speaker. Right there. So that concludes today's video of the install of the ceiling speakers Sonance. If you like the content, please subscribe and like the video.